Can Sharp Aquos connect to phone? Yes, Sharp Aquos TVs can connect to a phone, allowing users to stream content, mirror their screens, or use the phone as a remote control. This can be done using screen mirroring, HDMI adapters, or third-party apps. 1. How to connect Sharp Aquos to phone using screen mirroring. Step 1. Ensure both the Sharp Aquos TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On an Android phone, open Screen Mirroring Smart View or Cast from the settings. Step 3. Select the Sharp Aquos TV from the available devices. Step 4. Accept the connection request on the TV, and the phone screen will appear on the TV. 2. How to connect iPhone to Sharp Aquos using AirPlay or apps. Step 1. If your Sharp Aquos TV supports AirPlay, enable it in Settings, then Apple AirPlay Settings. Step 2. On the iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Select the Sharp Aquos TV, and the screen will be mirrored. Step 4. If AirPlay is not supported, use third-party apps like AirScreen or a power mirror. 3. How to use an HDMI adapter for a wired connection. Step 1. Get a USB-C to HDMI, Android, or Lightning to HDMI iPhone adapter. Step 2. Plug one end into the phone and the other into an HDMI port on the TV. Step 3. Change the TV input to the correct HDMI source. Step 4. The phone screen will now be displayed on the TV. 4. How to use the phone as a remote for Sharp Aquos TV. Download the Sharp Remote app, if supported, from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure the TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use the app to control the TV, change channels, and adjust volume. Sharp Aquos TVs can connect to a phone via screen mirroring, AirPlay, HDMI adapters, or remote control apps. If wireless options do not work, using an HDMI adapter or third-party apps can help establish a connection.